Welcome to Scoot. Today we're going to review how to access your Scoot account, select the appropriate room link, and invite participants to your meetings in your calendar. Let's dive in. Logging in with Scoot is simple. Go to us.scoot.app and sign in with your username and password or single sign-on option. Scoot offers sign-in with Google, Microsoft, and Apple. After signing in, you'll see your Scoot homepage. You can find all of your rooms here. To get the link to one of your rooms, click on the three-dot menu on the top right corner and select Share Link. Then just copy the link to your clipboard. To invite participants, go to your preferred calendar app, select an existing meeting or create a new one. Invite others and update the location to the Scoot link you copied earlier. When you're all done setting up the meeting, click Send. Both you and your participants can easily join Scoot meetings from a calendar. Because Scoot is a browser-based platform, you will not need to install an app or enter a code to join the meeting. Just go to the event on your calendar, click on the link, and you're in. That's all we have for now. For more information, connect with our team at support@scoot.app. Thanks for joining us.